Hello guys, and hope doing well. I take these two Crystal Oscillator from Cisco device. It is 125 megahertz. It is very hard to find this kind of crystal oscillators. 125 megahertz. As you can see, I tried to solder one of them like this. This pin positive connected to positive, this pin negative connected to the negative, and this pin is output I used as antenna. Here is my power, 3.2 volt, and I'm going to connect the power, the negative one, to the project, to this one, and also check what's going on when I'm connecting this negative pin. Check in the oscilloscope. As you can see, the frequency is 125 exactly, and when I'm connecting the negative lead here, you can see exactly we have signal inside the radio. As you can see, the power is very good. It is very powerful, and over 3.2 volt, it is working very well. This crystal oscillator is very good for dividing by CMOS and TTL ICs to smaller amounts, and also it is very nice to use it as frequency multiplier with transformer to make bigger frequencies. Hopefully this project help you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.